Okay,
Now,
you can
now
come.
can I come down?
You can come down now.
Yes.
What?
Puppet, puppet, puppet. What can this be? It's a puppet. Rawr, rawr,
We'll see what else you got. We'll see. Did Santa eat the stuff? I see the carrots are gone.
Bing bong.
Look at the tray.
What? Yeah. And the milk is all gone. Hey, my God. And here's Mario hat. Pants.
Actually, the pants are not from me. What's that?
Beyblade. Oh. You know what? Baby. Now let's see what type it is. Where does it show the name of it?
Hold on.